Hey, good morning, everybody. We are back. We are live. I know I'm late. But it's okay. We're not trading the open. I think it's a good morning. We got shafted this morning. Hard. Unreal. We got caught in this. I don't know. I guess Trump said something or tweeted something, and we got left holding the bag. Hey, Camber Trades, good morning. I'm gonna eat my cookie and drink my coffee. So yeah, these accounts. This is what happens. This is what happens when you go short. This is what happens when you go short here. I went short. I was in profit. And I was like, oh, we're good. Didn't think twice. I double checked to make sure there was no news at 8:30. Nope, no news. And I thought, okay, I'm good. Went to the restroom. And yeah, I come back in the accounts. I was actually down like $1,400 per account because of this news. Something came out right here. I was so mad. And guess what? Of course, you might notice something missing on this, on these accounts. Of course, I was also short on my take profit accounts. Of course. And that news event, I was short like two contracts, and yep. Poof, accounts blown just like that. Yeah, Airboat Rob, I saw, because I was so confused. I don't know. I came out of the restroom and I look at it and I'm like, what the heck? I didn't see it because it happened right at 8:30. Not quite at 8:30, but very close to at 8:30. So, but yeah, then I saw that Trump tweeted something about the tariffs. It's unfortunate, man. What really irritates me, I wish I could do a replay, but I wasn't at my desk. But I had my profit target at the 542s. Like my profit target on this short, which would have been a great short. I would have passed. I was $500 away from passing my take profit accounts. And my take profit was right here at the 542s. Maybe it was the 541s. It was like right around the 540s. I know I had my target was 540. Then I moved it up just a little bit. When I literally come back, yeah, so it must have just wicked down or something and never filled the take profit, but then just ripped higher. I don't know. I have no words. When that happened this morning, I was almost like, I'm not even going to stream today because that just irritated me. It'd be one thing if I just forgot that there was a news event and, you know, it was just stupidity, but just unfortunate. Yep, the nonstop trader, the take profit trader eval curse continues. I was literally $460 away from passing. I give up, at least for now. You know what I actually went and did this morning? As you can probably see, maybe you guys don't keep track, but my expenses are a little bit high. I actually went, instead of buying more take profit trader evals, I decided to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna test my luck on TopStep again. I'm gonna do it. I might regret it, but not that I really think TopStep is much better. I really don't like them that much, but at this point, I just need to switch it up. I can't keep doing this take profit trader cycle. I just can't. Mentally, I needed something different. So we got 5 100K TopStep accounts. And I guess we'll see what happens. What's the worst that can happen, right? See if we can pass them. I'll keep you guys. And I did switch to TopStep X. I just couldn't bring myself to do the trade of 8 and take on the data loss limit and the micro rule. I just couldn't do it, so I guess we're gonna use TopStep X. I'm still trying to figure out. I'll just have a different layout for my TopStep X platform, and if I take a trade in my TopStep X, I'll just have to show that separately and whatever. We'll just have to track those things separately, but it is what it is. Still so frustrated. Yes, I went with the 100Ks TopStep. Yep. Good morning, Rat Poker. Yeah, Matt. We need to wait. We need to. Honestly, I'm not too sure how smart it is to keep buying evals. Regardless what prop firm, because right now I just can't seem to catch a break. Just cannot seem. I'm still befuddled. How it didn't fill me. Like, that's what got me really frustrated. It'd be one thing if it just ripped straight up, but this wick here, my profit target had to be like 541, 542s. And somehow it didn't fill my profit target, but then just ripped 100 points higher. Really, really hurts. But hey, my coffee is really good this morning and my cookies are great this morning. Yeah, I don't know, Jenna. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about. All right, we're getting a pullback. I'm not even sure. What am I going to trade this morning? I'm going to trade my Apex 150K accounts. Let's trade those. Why not get a nice... I'm obviously looking for longs. Oh, geez. Is the audio choppy for you guys? These cookies, by the way, are just delicious. My wife makes these cookies and they're just, oh. Hey, UK Futures Trader in the building. Good to see you. How's it going? If I have my copy trader link, shoot, I don't think I do. It's Replicanto. I think my code is Nutty Bar 20, I think. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee Trader. I'm scrolling back through. Good morning, R5 Studios, Orlando, Sam Owen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. I'm a little bit on a sour mood because of this morning, but it's okay. You know, it's just money. You know, it's just money, just blowing evals, whatever. Yes, trigger happy. I double checked. We are only trading the Apex 150s. Ah, man. Just can't believe it. Wow, man, would have been such a great start to the stream this morning if this would have if I would have gotten filled, we would have had our take profit trader evals passed. We would have been up like $500 per account on my Tradify accounts. The vibes would be so different. You know what? Let's stop thinking about that. Let's just focus. Let's focus on in front of us. We can't change what happened. It's okay. It's not terrible. I mean, $900 loss on these accounts. It's not terrible, but it's just frustrating more than anything. All right, market just going straight up, which is kind of what I suspected today. On the daily chart, again, this breakout of this trend, we just seem to be breaking out, ripping to new highs, maybe. 800s will be an interesting level. 810s, 820s will be interesting, so keep an eye on that. But for now, we are definitely just going to look for longs. We just jump in, hold on. Slap my face and snap out of it. What happened with my diet? I don't know. I got shot in the take Friday on my because my copier put a stop loss 4 ticks above where it was supposed to be. Oh no, Camber trades. Oh, that's unfortunate. The market closes today at 1 o'clock, Angela. No way, Black Coffee. That's all right. Let's focus up. Focus up. Just gotta regroup. Regroup. Eat my cookie. This is my. I literally raged for 36 hours. That sounds like me, Camber Trades. Oh. Oh, man. You gave you this trader. All right, the cookies are all eaten. We can focus on trading now. Is it worth trading today, Max 14? I will tell you at the end of stream if it was worth trading or not. Right now, I would say yes, there's enough going on that it's worth it, but we shall wait and see. I still can't believe, I still can't believe that didn't, Anyway, sorry. Time to focus. Focus up. Let's forget about that. By the way, I did check. I have I have enough. So one thing with Take Profit Trader, when you buy evals, you accumulate, what is it? You accumulate credits or something. I have enough credits. This is definitely not a flex. This is like the opposite of a flex, but I have enough for 4 resets. 4. Which I can do either 4 resets or, yeah, you get rewards. You get rewards and then you can purchase a credit for different accounts. So we're going to redeem those. And I'm not going to count those towards my expenses. If I use that, those don't go toward my expenses. So we can reset 4 of them with the credits. And then obviously one of them I'll cancel and buy a new account. Once, if we decide to go dive in again, which who knows. At this point, I don't even want to talk about it. So bad. Come on down. Give me a pullback. Let's see if we can get wrecked this morning. Why not? Why not? This one here was a good entry, but of course, I didn't take that. Yeah, you're trading today while I drink. Uh-oh, you gave you. Okay, I guess it is later for you. Where do you have Take Profit Trader account? What boys like? I don't want to talk about it. The Take Profit Trader accounts went bye-bye this morning. Thanks to a Trump tweet. I blame Trump. I blame Trump for losing the Take Profit Trader accounts and for this $900 loss. It's all Trump's fault. Hey, Laser for Trades, good morning. I know, Ryan. I don't know. Don't count on it. I was only 1K away from passing both of those accounts. Oh, that's the worst. Then you have to grind back through it, Camber Trades. Oh, it's so frustrating. Ugh. All right, we're getting in an interesting territory here. Give me a nice pullback. Maybe down close to the 740s, something like that. Hey, Alpine, you are shoveling snow? Let's go, Alpine. Send me a picture. Send me a picture of you shoveling snow. I want to see it. I love it. I love it. So did you get a lot of snow with this snowstorm? Did you see a new suit against Apex, Red Poker? Oh, with the affiliate? I saw one post something about it. I did not look into it at all. Don't really care. Do not really care. I'm in the snow wearing a Speedo and a penny loafers. Oh. By the way, it's cold. It is cold down here in Florida. This morning was 55 degrees. Or no, it was actually 50. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. How was my weekend? My weekend was great. I took my golf clubs to the PGA Tour Superstore. Got my clubs regripped with the medium grip size. I love it. I'm going to pick them up tomorrow. And what is my win rate? I don't even know. It's very low right now. Very low. All right. Do I jump in up here? Jeez. I'm going to wait. I'm not getting trapped. It's 20 degrees where you're at? Okay. I mean, right here would be a long, but I'm going to wait for this to see if it... I'm going to see... Wait. We might start going sideways here. I want to wait. Did you check the video? Laser for trade. So I didn't. For some reason, I can't view it. It says it's private. I was going to reply and let you know. It's 2 degrees in Omaha. Man. 17 to 1 degrees negative. Man, you guys, I guess 50 degrees isn't that cold. Yeah, Trump gave me the he shafted me this morning. Big time. I still can't believe he did that to me. I never said a bad thing about him, and then he just goes and does that to me. It's not cool. 4 degrees in Michigan? Oh. Did my lights just flicker? I feel like my lights just flickered a little bit. Get the couch ready. We're all on the way. Bring it on, Dean Bishop. Let's have a party at Nutty's place. Also, tonight, the Ohio State Buckeyes will be having a watch party here for the Ohio State Buckeyes. They're gonna take the championship home. It's got to. Patrick said you will be there Monday and Tuesday, Dean Bishop. That would be correct. Next Monday, a week from today, we will be at the we will be streaming with Patrick. So I don't know what to expect. I guess we'll just wait and see. Hopefully I don't make, I'm not sure what to expect. If I was trading during Trump's last term, no, I was not. I was not. And I'm not quite sure what to expect, but I don't even know. I don't know how you trade when you have this kind of move. This was not a news event. This was not a news event. This was a Trump tweet. And I'm not even sure where it took me out, but somewhere up here. And blew my 5 take profit trader accounts and took on this loss. Thankfully, I wasn't in the same size on these Tradeify accounts, thankfully. Oh yeah. What about this meme coin that Trump started? What is up with that? What are we living in a simulation, or what is going on? I woke up Saturday morning and I go on Twitter, and everywhere I look, everything is about Trump meme coin and how people made millions of dollars overnight while I sat here just chilling, man. And I'm just like, what is I don't have any words. I'm just like, what is going on? What is going on? Is this how our next 4 years? Is this what our next 4 years looks like? I mean, if it is, we we I don't think you guys have any idea how this is gonna get crazy. Well, I'm really glad I didn't get trapped in this long, so patience paid. Now we just gotta wait till we kind of put in a level here. I wouldn't be surprised if this 735 level holds. If we start putting in a sideways level, I'm going to look to buy at the bottom of the channel. I'm not going to be buying breakouts. We're going to be buying at the bottom of the channel. If it starts putting in its sideways channel, we will be buying at the bottom and holding on for dear life. That's the plan. Not buying breakouts. But what, like, I don't even, this whole Trump, and then, so Trump created a meme coin and promoted it on his Twitter, which is wild. And then his wife Milana does the same thing yesterday. I like, who? I have no words. I have no words, but I guess, I mean, I guess we don't have a choice. We're going to have to create a nutty meme coin now. If this is the way, if this is the way of the future, nutty meme coin coming in hot. NBT. Like, what is this world coming to, man? I mean, it's crazy. Looks like a new Apex sale on the 150, 250, and 300K accounts. Really? I mean, that'd be awesome. I haven't seen it. We haven't seen an Apex sale in like 2 years. Where do you see that, Rad Poker? Yeah, it's just crazy. They had a 90% off a month ago. Oh, I was just going off of what it felt like. Maybe 2 years was not quite. Maybe not quite. Apex sale only for trades with Travis. I doubt it. I'm going to say that's probably not true. All right, we continue lower down through the 720s, testing the 720s. What's the best strategy for a prop firm beginner? Start with a get the lowest cost of entry would be the key. Uh, how is it possibly so inconsistency wrong? No way, design. You're $11 away. So NBT code is 8350 as well. It'd be, I mean, I don't know of any promotion right now. I have no idea. It's just the 150 to 300K priced at 50Ks and 50% off with 85. Is that new? Like, is that new? I have no idea. Whatever. Whatever. It don't make no sense. All right, is the 520s gonna hold here? Is this where we try to get in on this? Oh gosh, if let's please not turn into a buy this meme coin, buy this meme coin. Jeez. Oh. Should be a wild. I mean, it's just crazy because, I mean, okay, we might take a stab here. See if we can get something going here. See if we can get a pop. Need a nice move higher here, please. Not another fake out. I don't like that. Kind of playing this, we're bouncing right off the opening where we opened at this morning. stop right below the low a day. Let's see if we can get a move here. We catch a move or we get stopped out. Let's see. See what happens. Man, my fill prices were very different. Not looking good. Looks like we're just going to keep rolling over here. I'm going to let this trade work. It either works or it doesn't. I'm not going to try to, I'm going to let it work. What happened to not trading until after 10:30? Well, today is a little different. No. That's fair. What time? It's 10:07. We got time. It's okay. Need a big pop right here. Come on. Pop it. Pop it. Does not want to do it. Come on, right here. Do it. Man, this is moving very slowly. Jeez. I do not like that. Oh. No, they're not, Matty Matt. I need to get him to 9,000 in profit. I went full degen mode last week. I don't like this. Can't get above the 740s. Ah, no. Could almost talk myself into killing this one, but I told myself we're gonna let this one work. I cut trades early last week and it hurt me, so let's just wait and see. It's gonna be like a 500 loss, something like that. This is not looking good. Not looking good at all. This is our last hope right here. See if we bounce off of the 7, 10, 10, 15s here or not. This is just... And we're about to get stopped. For those passing Apex evals during news videos, a fluke, or is that for real? What do you mean? Like, I mean, it's definitely possible. I mean, yeah, you can pass Apex evals during news. I mean, it's pretty much a flip of the coin. Cut the trade. I mean, I would, but at this point, I'm just gonna let it work. We're either this is either gonna hold or it's not. If it's gonna hold, we're okay. If it doesn't hold, we'll get stopped out. At this point, we're just gonna let it work. It is what it is. But I definitely don't feel good about it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, design. I feel like I'm on the same boat, not trading well. To start out the week once more, it's just not, ugh. It's just not great. Not great at all. All right, this looks like it could be the hope and nope strategy right here. The hope and nope. It's going to pretend like it wants to go higher, and then it's just going to flush lower and take me out. I've seen this so many times. The hope and nope strat. Prove me wrong, market. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. But yeah, Diego, it is. It's just, it's a flip of the coin. And yeah, it's going to pump now. I hope you're right, TNT. I hope you're right. Design knob. A little DCA doesn't hurt. Yeah, see? Gave me the hope. Now it's going to give me the nope. I can just... But again, I'm going to let this trade work. And I'm not... Some of my trades last week was me not allowing the trade to work. And it ended up kind of being a precursor to taking some bad trades then. I would much rather get in a trade and stick with it. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But once you're in a trade and then trying to predict the trade is just mental warfare for me. I'm such a nice guy. I left you here on mute as I was busy, but still on stream. Let's go, Jose. Let's go. You're a real one. All right, market. Market volatility seems to have died down significantly here. Looks like we're about to lose the 720s here. Here it goes. You hate to see it. I don't like this one bit. Yeah, there she goes. Oh, mama. I just give up. I don't know. I'm starting to get so frustrated with my trading. It's insane. Well, I mean, when is the inauguration? Doesn't Trump start speaking at 12 o'clock? I think. What happened to my personal account, Kevin? I'm not trading it currently. Decided, you know what? I'm as bad as I'm trading. I'm not gonna take my live account through that as well. So I'm just gonna wait. I don't even have it connected. I'm just gonna hold off. Right now, I'm every day that I go through like this, like days like today. Again, like I don't hate this. Like I mean, I'm not upset about this trade. Obviously it sucks that it didn't work, but it's not like we didn't follow our plan. I mean, as far as we waited, didn't get caught in this one, waited till we moved down to the EMA, but it just, I don't know, it just seems like it doesn't work. Yeah, Maximus, that's true too. And there's some other things that honestly right now this strategy, like I feel like 1 out of 10 my confidence is like at a 3. Trying to grind through it, but it's not pretty. It's not pretty in my head. It's not pretty anywhere. It's not pretty on the profit and loss. It's just I don't know. But you just gotta grind. I mean, it doesn't. It's not gonna be easy. Just gotta be. What's probably the hardest thing right now to do is to stay patient, because it's very tempting to go increase your size, try to make the money back on one trade, that type of thing. And I know that's not good. I mean, this was so, I mean, it right here, this closed right at it. And I don't really do like, I look at this previous bar is what I look at more than right at the EMA. Like this previous bar and this closed above it. It wasn't by much. It wasn't by much, but then even this bar we broke above, so I could have waited maybe, but this would have been an entry for sure when it broke above the previous close. But there's just no continuation. There's just nothing. It just seems like we get these big moves and then once the pullback starts, it doesn't stop. It just keeps going and keeps going. It's almost like you just need to play. Like once this happens and we have one failure, we just don't ever reattempt. And I shouldn't like the second entry longs are almost worse than the first entry long. The first entry longs on a move higher, like even just a single red candle on the 2-minute, have a better consistency than like the second attempts. It just doesn't seem to pan out. At least not during the New York session. In the overnight session and pre-market, then it's different. Like in the pre-market and the overnight sessions, it's actually way better. But in the regular session, like the regular New York session from 9:30 to like whatever, it just doesn't do it. Ricky Rich, you think it's time to buy now? I mean, All right, we just continue to roll over. What a crazy market. This is like, I almost feel like you have a higher percentage win rate right now. If you just wait until we like start seeing a pullback here, like right here, and then you just start shorting at the top of this range. Maybe I need to do that, just short. Just as soon as it shows a sign of pulling back, just ride it. This is now a pullback of over 100 points. 100-point pullback from the highs. It's not like these are like small 10, 15-point pullbacks that you can just sit through either. It's like 100-point pullbacks. If you don't get out, you're going to get destroyed. Unless you're trading like one micro. But I mean, yeah, you can say go with the trend, but technically that's what I was doing on this entry. Like at that point. Now, since then, unless you look at like, I don't know, like the 30-second trend, but that's crazy. That's the 30-second trend right there. I'm going to hyperventilate if I trade the 30-second chart. I can't do that. I ain't doing that. The market's not closed today. No, the markets don't. The futures markets close at 1 p.m. 1 Eastern. 15-minute chart. Man, this light keeps blinking up here. I don't know what's going on. See, now I'm tempted again. I shouldn't be, but I have about one on these accounts, these 150K accounts. I have about a $1,000 stop loss on these accounts. I am trying to be more aggressive on these accounts, so maybe we want to come test these. Maybe we want to come test the VWAP, I guess, down here at the 640s. I blew so many evals, but Design really cracked me up on Friday when he said he was like 30 cents away and blew the account. Oh, Ron Ned. Oh, that's unfortunate. We've been there. We're heading at least to the 670s or the previous day high. Could be, could be. And there's just a lot of selling. Lots of selling on this pullback. I need to see more buyers here, more aggressive buying before I jump in here. I'm not gonna do it. Or we could just short and just continue to look for this downtrend to continue. We could do that too. But then Trump will make a tweet. Go on the 500 tick chart. Actually, the 500 tick chart probably doesn't look that bad. I mean, I haven't looked at tick charts since I was trading ES. I don't hate that. I don't hate it. Yeah, 11:30 when the ceremony starts, it might get wild. Yeah, I agree. Okay, Lacer for trade. I'll look at it. Strong move after the break of the first 15-minute range to the downside, and there's order block. The 660, 670s. Yeah, I mean, I could definitely see us coming down here to the 660s. And we continue lower. Let's see. I mean, I'm going to be interested once we test Vwap. I'll be interested. All right, market. It does seem, this market does seem very, seems pretty slow now. So the move for the day might kind of be over as well. Could be that it's over. Jimmy Carter. Jimmy Carter. I've been approved for 2,500, but I haven't received any email about registering my bank account. I contacted customer service. I got a picture showing that I am verified. Okay, Nora, I mean, then you should be good. Just, yeah, you should be good. How long did you backtest your current strategy before you started trading it live? And how far back would you recommend a person backtest a strategy before going live? I mean, I think that's just up to each individual how you want to do that. But I mean, mine was back tested, but more live tested, like forward testing is always more important than back testing. But back testing, you just have to do it to basically make sure that it works. Make sure, gain confidence, honestly. Back testing is at least for me, is more about having confidence than, like, once you can see the results, then it gives you confidence for moving forward and staying in your trades, holding on to your trades. Okay, like, this has got me interested again. Oh, this is where it's so difficult. You want to jump in here. Gosh. I want to jump in, but I shouldn't. It's not. That is not a good. It's a typical. It's another trap, or it could be a trap. But when it was me, it was crazy. What do you mean? What do you consider wild? It's a half day. I wouldn't be expecting much at all. Previous day high has been swept. I mean, it might, Dylan. It might. Yeah, it's kind of weird, Black Coffee. I have trouble with my Ninja Trader freezing, but it's only like one chart at a time. It's not like this chart might freeze, but my other charts are fine. It's kind of weird. This is trying to get me to enter a trade here. I can feel it. It's tempting. if we were here at the 640s, I would probably take a stab at this. Trump coin is going to be the new national currency. At this point, who knows? Anything is on the table. No. Yeah, I know, Freedom Miller. I know I need to wait. The true test of a strategy is, can you replicate it every day? Yeah, DL, but I also am a firm believer that I don't care what strategy you have, like you are going to go through slumps. You're going to go through drawdown. There is no strategy that is just consistent week in, week out and never goes through any drawdown. Or at least I don't buy that. I think every strategy goes through a drawdown period in the market when market conditions change, and I think that's a real thing. It's more like, I guess, how big a drawdowns and like at what point do you like put a hold on it and be like, okay, time to reassess, or do you just push through it knowing that in the end the probabilities will come out? Like it just that's where you just have to, I guess, use some discretion to a certain point where you got to be like, okay, I know I still trust this strategy XYZ and I'm going to stick to it. We're going to get through this drawdown period, and you know, that's right now, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I'm like, do I keep pushing through, or I mean, I'll be honest, right now I'm way closer to the point of throwing everything out the window and starting over. I'm way closer to that than I am to keep pushing through with currently, like, but I don't want to throw out the, what do they say? Throw out the baby with the bathwater. Do you have a video that goes over the 3-minute ORB? No, I don't, Christopher S. You just got to stick around, hang around. If once I start taking that trade again, I'll probably do it tomorrow. All right. I mean, here's what I do like. Okay, like I will take this. Like we are attempting now to make new lows. If we fail to make new lows, I think I'm gonna take a stab at this long. This is kind of one of those. This is a little different, but I feel like it's worth it. If it rolls over, I don't know. If I've tried a volume profile, not recently. No, not recently. What time did the markets close today? I thought all was closed this morning. No. The futures market is open until 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Everyone is waiting for the VWAP touch. That means it probably won't happen. All right. Glad I didn't get sucked into that one. We just need to wait. Just need to be patient. It's hard. All right, let's see if we make new lows here. Make new lows. See if we test this 640. It's kind of the only thing I'm kind of hanging around for. See if we test this 640 area. If we do, we might give it one more shot right here. And if we get a setup, if we get a long entry there, we might take it. Other than that, if we don't get that, I don't know, probably just call it a day. Call it a day. Yeah, I mean, I've looked at the volume profile and stuff, and I mean, I'm right now, I'm not throwing any, like, right now I'm all ears. But see, for me, it's not about, how would I say? For me, a strategy is all about, not to be it's about if it makes sense to me. Not you, not someone else. I don't care. Like, if it makes sense, whatever you're trading might not work for me. So right now I'm about, if something does, if it immediately makes sense to me and I get it, like if I can get a strategy within the first 5 minutes, then I will, at least I'll consider it. If it takes an hour to explain a strategy, I know it's not for me. Like, that's just, for me, a strategy needs to be simple, easy to understand, and easy to explain. And if you can do that, I'm all ears. Right now, I'm all ears. Why am I not trading meme coins? Because I have a brain inside my skull. If you think, uh, you know what? I'm not going to say it. To me, it's crazy what's happening. It is crazy, crazy wild what is going on. Hey, here's our, oh, I need to pay attention here. Big wick test of the VWAP. Oh, now I want to see a failed attempt at new lows. Like, I need to see a failed attempt before I'm not going to blindly dive in here. Hey, Dylan. Hey, you might be right. And I'm honest. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I have three PAs up to 53K in profit and 6 days of 50 profit per account. Does this mean I can flip the last 2 days, or do I still? Yeah, you can just flip the last 2 days, Lawrence. You sure can. Congratulations, Lawrence. That's awesome. Daryl Bapty. Sounds like spending 100 hours watching ICT mentorship is the perfect fit for you. Yeah, that's like, take that, and it's exactly opposite of that. That makes me want to vomit. Oh, especially when a large percentage of it is just gibberish. Nothing but gibberish and yapping. All right. We are getting our VWAP test. Now we just need an attempt at new lows that fails, and then we want to see. I mean, we haven't had a red, this TDU Wadatar. Like, this is the other thing. Like, I've tried to do my entries based off of this indicator kind of thing. Just no consistent results at all. Like, good examples like this. Like, I was back testing. One of the back testings that I did was on a pullback. I don't enter unless we have less than 3 bars of red or orange. So we need, like, basically, if a bar turns red or orange, closes, then you don't buy. It's too big of a pullback. Just, you stay out of it. But again, anyway, it's just that I had zero consistent results. Zero. Oh well. All right, now we just wait. The only fear here is when we just go straight up and we don't even retest these lows. I mean, that can happen. If that happens, I don't know. I guess we're just gonna miss the move, but yeah, Dylan. Yeah, ranting for hours. All right, now I need see this is where I start to get concerned, but I'm not jumping in yet. We gotta attempt to make new lows. We gotta see it. What time is it? 10:48. If this just goes straight up now, oh, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Man, is it really just gonna go now? Come on. So frustrating. So like you just gotta blindly buy. And I just hate that. The Oliver Velez method. I'm not even aware of it. I'll look at it. Wow. Can I see all my comments? If so, look at Friday, I believe NQ. I can't not of 856. Oh, 758. This rips above this EMA. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let this play out a little bit, but if this just rips higher now, I just need to end it. The stream, I mean. Touching previous day high, and then 58.50, 60.50 was. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. See, now we're starting to green here. But technically, we're in this downtrend, and now technically, like, this could easily come. I don't know. I'm just going to wait. Jumping in up here is just asking for trouble. I'm just asking to get stopped out to the tick, and then it goes higher. How can I get 200K in 2024 with this strategy? What? I mean, that was last year, Butcher USA. That was last year. How do they say? Previous results do not guarantee future results or something like that? I'm a firm believer that just because you were profitable last year, I'm not going to just like arrogantly assume that everything will just be the same. It might not be. Maybe it won't be. I hope, but you know, we got to keep grinding. Assume. I don't like to assume. We're near Friday's high of day, which, oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. Which was right here. We bounced right off of this level. I mean, I just hate buying it blindly. Like when we test the EMA, I know we were talking about Vwap, and if we bounce off Vwap, but I'm not a big fan of just blindly putting a buy order right here, and then, or I always struggle. Then where do you put your stop when you just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. No, the clock is not an indicator. That's something I add. It's from the Windows App Store. You can add that. Hey, I appreciate it, Diego. Thanks for the sub. I do appreciate it. Also, Stephen Yang subscribed 21 minutes ago. Paul subscribed, and Daniel. Thank you, thank you. I do appreciate that. When did I get the 4K payout? Last week. Also, guys, can you guys do me a favor? In the description in the video, if you guys look at my description in the video, all the way like down at the bottom, it says 2025 payout proof. And there's a link to a Google Drive folder. Can you guys open that folder just to see if you guys, it should give you access, and basically all of my payouts, everything, I'm going to drop a screenshot of the payouts, basically payout proof. I'm going to drop into that shared Google Drive folder, and that way everything for the year is accumulated and everything is right there. And then you just, I don't know, that way you guys can, you know, for the random strangers and the new people coming in, if they want to see proof of the payouts, that's where they can go and see it. I see other folder though. What else do you see? What else do you see? Let me see. Okay, it's working. Okay, good. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street. I was like, good one. Good one, man. You got me. Because I was like, wait, you can see other folders? I'm like, geez. I was like, I hope not. There's some sensitive information in there. Okay, good, good. All right, but anyway, I wanted to mention that that's where all the payouts, everything will be tracked, and everything payout proof is just Photoshop. Hey, it's at least it's good Photoshop. It's the best kind, it's the real kind. Yeah, we're about to get rickrolled. Giorani trades. Good morning. You guys are funny. All right, market. Is it gonna give me a entry here or not? Yay or nay, buddy? It's not looking too good. The pre-IO approved. I'd rather trade Trump coins today. Oh, what is Trump? What is the Trump meme coin at? Looks like $49. $49. Unreal. I can't believe the world we're living in. Like, okay, this is because the reason I say this, and I don't know, maybe I'm the crazy guy here. I could be. I could be that I'm just an old man and I need to get with the times. Maybe that's it. That might be fair. I mean, that could be it. But I'm telling you right now, if you like what Trump is doing now with this meme coin is going to make the crypto world, it's going to turn it into a disaster. And the reason I say that is if Trump is allowed to do a meme coin, then anybody's allowed to do it. Anybody and everybody's going to do it. You're going to have so many meme coins that are just going to be rug pull after rug pull after rug pull that eventually it will actually make a problem. Eventually, people will not buy into it. And people are just going to look at crypto as a joke. Because that's what it's going to turn into if that is the new normal. Like, that's like all the people that want everybody to take crypto seriously, that's out the window. That's gone. What's my email? Nuttybar1983DL. Nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. It's been a joke for a while. I mean, okay, so myself a mirror, yes, I would agree with that, but here's the difference. So Trump was always pro Bitcoin and pro crypto. Like you knew that going in that he wanted to. Oh man, look at this market. Oh my word. I give up. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know how to trade this market anymore. I give up. We literally came down, tested VWAP exactly like we wanted, but just never, I don't even know. I guess I would have just had to blindly enter at the break above this candle, which would have failed here. It would have failed here. It would have failed here. It would have failed here. But hey, on the fourth attempt, it would have worked. So, I don't know. Guess it is what it is. But back to the whole crypto thing. Like, okay, Trump has always been pro crypto, but in my opinion, maybe I just misread it, but I always thought he was pro crypto in making it relevant in the case of actually have it be a form of currency. Like have it be something serious. Like have it be something serious that banks, because you need the large banks to buy into this crypto thing. If you really want it to be taken seriously, you need banks to actually back the crypto. And the way things are going now, like the way that, and now him coming out with his own meme coin is literally just laughing at the crypto. It's a joke to the people that want the everyday people to take crypto seriously. So it's like, dude, I mean, now is it great for the meme coin people that just want to YOLO and degen meme coin after meme coin and then pump meme coin and dump it? I mean, it's great for them. It's a great audience. It's a great thing for them. But I thought those were the people we were trying to eliminate and discredit. And it's literally giving those people their validation instead of the opposite. It's literally doing the opposite of what it should. It's literally making people that do crypto meme coins credible, and it's the people that want everyone to take crypto seriously as a form of currency, and it's making them to be a joke. It's like Black Beauty Machine, it's always done this. I mean, it has, yes, I agree, Black Beauty. It has always been this way. But my point is, I thought, again, maybe I'm obviously wrong, but I thought Trump was more on board that he's going to validate that crypto is a serious currency. That's what I thought he was going to bring. And that's just not happening. Trump coin does have a lockup period for the big holders, so it should pump until that lock expires in a few months. Okay, this is where, okay, for example, right now or earlier yesterday, when Trump coin was at $73 a share, that's a $73 billion market cap. I don't think people understand how insane that is. That's $73 billion market cap in less than 24 hours based off of what? Thin air. Speculation. That's a bigger market cap than FedEx. Like, legit, like Target. It's a bigger market cap than Target, and it's like, it's insane. But I mean, what do I know? It's just crazy. But we shall see. I mean, this might be the new way. This is the way. I'll be working on behind the scenes. I'll be working on a nutty meme coin coming to you soon. Just hold on, folks. This is the new way. He's literally 1 million years old. He shouldn't even be president. Hey, I'm not debating if he should be president or not. I honestly, I don't mind. I mean, I like the guy, or I mean, whatever. Like, I think there's a lot of good, but this part of it where like the crypto part of it is just like, dude, what is going on here? Oh my word, it's crazy. I have to put my AI face on the coin. It's proof this country is going to have a humbling. People need to have fear again, and the economic disaster is not far off. I do believe in capitalism and democracy. Yes, I do, Eric. I think that's great, but I also don't think that again, okay, I am going to have a different opinion and maybe I'll be proven wrong if let's say 9 months from now Trump coin is still a thing and is still trading above $30 a share or $30. If that's happening a year from now and that's still the way and that's still how it is, okay, then I'll look at it a little differently. But from what we have seen in the past, I think everyone knows what will happen. Everyone knows what's going to happen, guys. I can tell everyone what's going to happen, and then it can happen, and people are still going to be shocked. People are still going to be, oh my gosh, it got rug pulled. And every time it happens, people are just shocked. They're like, whoa, I didn't think that would happen. And it's like after someone tells you and has done the exact same process 1,000 times before. It's like at some point, like, I mean, you can't help people that don't want help. You can't. It's like, okay, hey. Oh. What is going to happen, Deuce Trey? I guess let's wait and see. Okay, I will be wrong if this coin in 6 months from now, if this meme coin is above $20 a share, if it's above 20, if it's above $1, I'll be shocked. But it's like, people know, I think people even know that's going to happen. I think people even know that will happen. They just don't care. And they're like, as long as I'm not the one holding the bag, then it's fine. It's just crazy. Oh, anyway, it's like that is kind of where we're heading. Like that's the direction that we're heading in as far as crypto goes. Like, again, I try to be objective, okay? Like I am a guy, and my wife will tell you this. People that know me will tell you this. I do try to be objective. And the way I look at this world is I try to hold people to the same standards. I'm not going to let one person, because of the party he's associated with, he gets a free pass. He can do whatever he wants and he does no wrong. But if the same person on the opposite side of the aisle, on the other side of the spectrum, and in a different party, and if they would do it, then I'm going to call it wrong for them. But if this party does it, the same thing, I'm going to say that's fine. That's where I'm like, do you know how, like, if Biden would have come into office and done the exact same thing, like, I wouldn't have, like, I just have a hard time wrapping my head around how people are like, it's fine, it's cool, it's funny. It's like, what am I missing? Anyway, but no one cares. There's no such thing as fair and unbiased. Probably not, but if you're gonna call out one party for doing something, just be consistent across the aisle. That's all I ask. I mean, the inaugurations, I'm more curious what the inauguration is going to do to the market. You would just assume it's going to go higher, but who knows? Okay, market. I need to decide what I want to do here. I'm thinking, but they will not. Systems will lock up sales. They won't go through and boom, it's all gone. Yep, Mr. Wall Street. Don't, like, I don't know. We'll revisit this conversation in 6 months from now. Mooncatcher. I'm not into buying these coins, but I think out of all the meme coins, it's the one with the most long-term potential. You're talking about the Trump coin. I mean, it could be, but again, the insiders have an 80% stake in that coin. So it's very simple math. To me, again, it's very simple. The Trump insiders have an 80% stake in that coin. Okay, that's a fact. So now ask yourself a couple questions. First question you should ask yourself is why did they create the meme coin? Why? I mean, is it fair to assume the meme coin was created to make money? Right? I mean, why else do it? So if it was to make money, the only way they can make money is if they sell. So it's like inevitable what will happen. You can't sell 80% stake. You can't sell 40% stake without that value just completely dropping. You think he did it to get more people interested in crypto? There would be a lot of other ways to do it. A lot of other ways. Anyway. What purpose do these meme coins serve? Yeah, exactly, Mark Man. They don't serve a purpose other than some people will get rich and a lot more people will get poor. That is what happens. But this price is just kind of blah. I might just take the L today. Man, I'm not that sad about my Apex accounts. My Tradeify accounts, the way that happened this morning, that was just rude. Is the prop space better than guys? I just had a thought. Pretty soon, Trump's going to be promoting his own prop firm. Oh man, that's too funny. Exactly, Roger S. I mean, it is a tale as old as time. It's how it always happens. Like, you can go back in the history of meme coins, look at the history of meme coins, and you have a literal template of what will happen. Yet somehow people always believe that this one will be different. And then those are the ones left holding the bag. It's always how it happens. And what really is crazy about it is you can warn people and tell people and everything, but the potential to make money blinds them and they just don't care. They don't care. So I guess I don't care either. It's like, hey, if you want to do it. Maybe you'll get lucky. Maybe they'll get lucky. Yeah, Roger. That's exactly what happens. Anyway, doesn't matter. My opinion obviously doesn't matter. People are gonna do, and people are gonna YOLO and full degen anyway. It's but my fear is just we know this is not where it's gonna stop. If you think this is now like this is going to be the beginning of the greatest meme coin degeneracy known to man. And it's going to be wild. I think you're going to see people, every celebrity, anyone with any kind of influence, from sports figures to celebrities to whatever it may be, just expect meme coins galore. And it's going to be a madhouse. It's going to be crazy. And everyone's just going to try to be the first one to get in. And there's going to be so much. It's going to be brutal. Yeah, we are so back, Maddie Matt. Yeah, it's great. We are so back. Oh, I just can't wait. I can't wait to see the Twitter posts when this rug pulls of everyone being shocked. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe this happened. How did this happen?" And they're going to be so shocked and surprised. Oh. Sorry, Mr. Wall Street, answer my question. Sorry, I didn't see. What was your question? What did I It would be hilarious if it comes out the Chinese government owns that 80% of the float. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're going to have to work on a meme coin, NBT coin. New 2025 plan, get payouts and use payouts to buy the meme coins and then retire. It's the way. It's going to be the way. People are going to do it too. You know it's going to happen. By the way, okay, like I know this is unrelated. Like this is unrelated, but I also do feel like it's somewhat relevant. Okay, with what we have, so we have an well, I guess he's not an active sitting president, but let's just go that let's make that assumption. We have an active president that is promoting his own meme coins, and then you expect us to take it seriously that they want to regulate the prop firm futures industry? Like, come on. You're gonna tell me that you're gonna regulate the prop firm futures industry, and that's a big problem. Like that somehow is a big problem, but meanwhile you can promote your own meme coin and that's fine. Like that is, if that ain't twisted, I don't know what is, but that does not add up. You can't be regulating like the futures prop firm industry and then allowing meme coins to just completely run wild. That I actually do think that with Trump as president, the validation and the chances of this prop firm industry getting regulated, I do think is a lot lower than what it was. I do think that getting that regulated now is going to be way harder than a year ago. I do believe that, but we will see. Who said that about regulating props? I mean, it's been reported numerous different people, and I have seen proof. I have seen actual proof that the CME is actively pursuing prop firms, and they are actively going after prop firms and trying to get them regulated. Maybe regulated isn't the right word to use, but they're trying to get prop firms to abide by a certain set of rules that they come up with. So, and it's not to help the trader, trust me. But I'm starting to question if that actually is going to happen. I'm starting to question that. No, Captain Crunch, the same. Wait until Doge gets a hold of them. Yeah, exactly, Wall Street. I do think it's a longer shot. I think that whole regulation thing they might just put on the back shelf and be like, yeah, maybe this is not the right time. Maybe this is not the right time to do it. But I have no idea. That's just speculation. Meanwhile, the markets continue to go higher. I think I give up. Should have just blindly bought right at the VWAP, I guess. But hey, we didn't chase. We actually stuck to our rules this morning. We did pretty well. We just did not obviously didn't succeed, but can't be too upset today. What time the market will be closed at 1 p.m. Eastern. Who is looking for a ban hammer? I want to dust off my buttons. Yeah, Jimmy, I agree. I agree that it wasn't technically not really blindly buying, but to me it is. I basically want to in a perfect world, we would have came down and attempted to make a new low and then failed. That is where my entry would have been. But it just never happened. So that's why we did not enter, but that's what I mean by saying blind. I know it's not technically blind, but yes, the market, everything is closed at 1 p.m. Eastern. Everything is closed at 1 p.m. Eastern. Which would be an hour and a half from now. 1 hour and 34 minutes from now if you're in a different time zone. I don't honestly think anybody in the government, Mike Jamil, are you talking about the prop firm regulations? Yeah, I don't think the government cares. I think the CME cares. The CME is what is causing the issues. I am confused though because something was supposed to, yeah, what is, okay, we need to talk about this. Who was it that tweeted it? I need to know because I'm going to retweet it and I'm going to ask what the heck's going on. Who was tweeting last week about some major prop firm announcement that's going to happen this last week and it never happened? Nothing was ever announced. Who was it? Was it Sage? Probably Sage. That guy's... It was also Brett Simba, wasn't it? Trying to find it. Who did I miss? Oh, PW did it too. Brett said it. Oh, he said it on the show. Oh, it was that they removed the daily drawdown on take profit. Nah, I ain't buying that. That was it. I don't think that was it. Visual trader. Well, yeah. Anyway, okay. I don't see it. I don't know. He must have deleted it. He must have deleted it. Hmm. Anyway, I'm done trying to find it. Must be everyone just deleted their tweets about it. Okay, here. I don't even know. Whatever. I give up. I give up. Anyway. We'll probably have the outcome of the CA of my for tomorrow and the next day. Oh, really? I see. Oh, thank you, Red Poker. I don't want to retweet this douchebag, but I will. Oh, he said in the next 45 days. December 16. Anyway, guess we'll wait. We'll probably. Do you think the slump you're in is due to the environment? Maybe you need some sunlight. Hey, I have been getting sunlight, so I think it's just because I don't know. I don't know. It's multiple things. I suck, and I can't trade, and the market sucks. It's like multiple things, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. I believe we are gonna push through it, and it's gonna be fine. You just wait and see. If I have a window, yes, I do. Right there. It's like I do have a window. Do you have to have a stop order and sell order every time you take a trade? No, you do not. But you do just need to be aware of the 5-to-1 risk to reward rule. I'm waking up tomorrow to the sound of my TopStep money hitting my account. Nice, Jose. Nice. Captain Crunch. Pretty soon. Pretty soon there'll be prop firms for meme coins. Oh, that's too funny. He's walking out. Yep, I see. It's gonna be wild. Oh, I gotta stop reading this. Some of this stuff. It's too bad. It's too much. Okay. All right. I think I'm just gonna call it here. I don't think we're gonna have anything to trade. Yeah, I don't think. I think I'm gonna. I don't think I wanna. I definitely am not gonna sit through the whole. I think I'm gonna call it and just be. We'll be back tomorrow. I don't see us having anything positive happening here. Looks like it's just gonna be a slow grind higher. Another day, another red day. Hey, thank you, DL. I'll definitely check it out. Thanks, DL. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. End it there. And we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm going to be doing again. We be back testing. One of these days, we're going to come out. We might have a different strategy that we're going to do. Just saying, be prepared. All right, guys, take care. Appreciate you. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.